All right, this needs some well overdue maintenance and a good cleaning, so let's get at it. If you get in here with your brush and turn it slightly, then you can get in and make sure you get all the little grime out of the gears. Okay, so here we are. We'll go over some lubrication. Use a nice dry lube. This way you can lubricate without the dust sticking to the parts as much and actually then just making it worse. So dry lube, not just regular WD-40. Alright, there's some gears right there. Hard to really get the light in here and see, but you can see them. There we go. So spray some lubrication on these gears. Spray some up on the shaft that it slides up and down on and sideways. Spray on any moving parts. After you sprayed up all the gears, you're going to just come around and cycle the blade up and down. Get it lubricated up really well. See how it's going. This was actually pretty good. We've had some that were way worse. Check that out. That's pretty smooth for a job site saw.